Wait, what am I seeing here? AI is helping human? You can't be serious. AI is giving human an apple. Wow. I thought AI was taking our jobs. All right, ladies and gents, I do multiple stuff. So I can tell you from this, that, all angles. Crazy, man. But yeah, hang in there. It's all good. MicroStrategy plans to raise 500 million through a private sale to buy more Bitcoin. That and US Bitcoin spot ETFs attracted over 1 billion in daily investments. These are the two only that matters right now. What I mean by that is for this video, I'm just doing this impromptu. I'll give you my 2 cents. So MicroStrategy, again, raising a lot of money, right? I want to show you this real quick. MicroStrategy. If I'm not wrong, let's see if I have this here. MSTR. I think it's MSTR. Man, they are on next level. MSTR. Yeah, MicroStrategy, right? Look at this. This is MicroStrategy. Instead of buying Bitcoin only if I bet on Sailor and actually bought the stock, yeah? When it was literally, look at this, the timing. Last year, yes, Bitcoin was also at almost very low. Just a year ago, man. Can you imagine? 160, 205. And now, just look at this here, spike. That's MicroStrategy. That's, So now he's going to raise more. It goes up more, like it's insane. Look at this. And tech stocks are holding the NASDAQ 100, right? Literally. The NVDA, the AMD, some of them, Meta. These are the all like top few that's actually holding. And beside Bitcoin, look at this here, okay? So let's talk. I don't think, hear me out, okay? Before you start, it's sad news. Happy? Yeah. But it's just gonna, like now the point is, a lot of people say, if everybody starts holding and nobody uses Bitcoin for anything, what's going to happen? No, I mean, literally, think about this for a second, right? There is no activity going on. And why I'm saying this, because after ETF got in, if you look, right? Without the ETF, everything was, yeah, sure. The price wasn't really on the level, didn't make us so happy. So we had to involve BlackRock, right? And kind of knew it. If you think about this for a second, back then the influencers they all scored all this thing because they had a feeling when the regulation hits, when BlackRock corporations, they'll probably make Bitcoin their biatch, yeah, little biatch, and then they'll be able to manipulate to some extent because now Bitcoin, like BlackRock would buy huge amount and just lock it up, and anyone literally, they don't have to get into crypto exchange and stuff to buy Bitcoin because that's what we want. Literally buy the real BTC and store it. That's when you actually own and hold it, right? Not buy the ETF. Matter of fact, I did a video quite some time back, right? And I said, I was testing. I bought the ARK ETF. There's nothing wrong buying the ETF. So, but most people, so-called the boomers, whatever generation, the ones who believe in the traditional market, and that is like what? Maximum, the most people, the richest ones, right? They hold the most wealth. They do what BlackRock does, literally. I mean, BlackRock would jump out of the thingy. They're like, yeah, I'll follow. No, well, you know what I mean. So yeah, now they all want to get piece of Bitcoin. So unfortunately, I'm like, dude, should I get some right now? Because it's not stopping. It's not going down. And on the other side, inflation, right? It's a hedge against the dollar that's collapsing. And if you look at gold here, matter of fact, look at this one here, gold, right? All-time high, literally, gold all-time high, BTC all-time high, silver. Well, not exactly all-time high. I like silver actually. If I listen, maybe I'll do another video. Silver, gold, little bit. A lot of BTC is good, and guns, metal, right? Armor. I like armor, tanks. Why not, right? Rocket launchers, maybe not that. But anyways, yeah, those are my stuff against inflation. Basically, for me, it's more of like BTC, guns, silver, and maybe the rest of the other stuff, right? Anyways, keeping that aside. You look at this, right? If this keeps happening, okay, now what? It's there. But how long? Because think about this, right? It has a market cap. Not like there's always a limit in a way. It doesn't make sense because then it's going to beat every company, NVIDIA. It doesn't make sense anytime soon, right? Think about it for a second. 21 million Bitcoin out there. So yeah, for small plebs like us, Bitcoin is just a store of value. I'm not really transacting. A lot of dudes who bought in like thousands. All right, let's sell like two of these or 3 of these and make this profit out or whatever, right? For retailers, I personally would suggest it's a store of value. The gains are in these altcoins, which are kind of dead to a great level, but there are some that has opportunity, okay? And matter of fact, this is the funniest thing that happened actually, and this is true story. My dad, yesterday told me, because I barely have conversations. I told you, if you follow me, our views and stuff it doesn't align. It's my family, their views, my views. I'm a little, cray. So yeah, and they're just totally no, their government is right, this is right. If we follow, welfare is okay. Oh my god, man, yeah. Nothing, everything is fine. You can buy a home. Home is, why can't you buy a home right now? Really? Dad, are you like living under the rock or something? Like, seriously? Yeah, believe it or not. No pain. I mean, because you didn't live that life and you're not even living that life. So I'm the one. I have to maintain everything. But anyways, cutting the drama out, let me tell you this. He told me, hey, you know what? So I just told him about the BDC and what's happening in the economy. I'm like, listen, you seeing the mainstream. He literally is telling me they don't understand much. Like literally, what I mean by that is they see a little bit of the news in the mainstream and they think that everything is okay in the economy. He literally told me, take this $40,000 and why can't you buy a farmland somewhere? Bruh, $40,000? Like what? 1 square foot farmland? Where? I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know what he's thinking. I just want people to know the reality. So then, and then he told me, okay, you know what? I'll just give you like a couple of $1,000. Put in Dogecoin. Dogecoin? What do you mean Dogecoin? Oh, Dogecoin. Doge. How does he know about Doge? A friend of his told him about a friend of his who bought Doge in the previous bull run, happened to buy very low, kind of got lucky. Now you're like, no, he got a hitting deal. He's a professional. Well, we'll come to that in a second, right? So got lucky and made quite significant amount. So then he kind of fell for that. Like a dude was like, oh, this is. And he told my dad. So they all literally know about this Dogecoin. And if you look at it, actually, not a joke. Doge is pumping. This is crazy. Wait, let's actually go to the meme section. Why not, right? And Doge is on my list here, man. Why not, right? Hey, but I don't hold in Doge yet. Look at this. This is crazy. And when Bitcoin goes up to the whatever level, it's going to take quite a few other tokens to some extent, but most of the altcoins are kind of dried up in a way. Like Solana is up. I don't mention it, but it's on the list. Solana is up because Solana has a lot of dog tokens as well. I mean, Solana itself has a lot. ETH, most of the tokens are ERC20, right? So when they are trading and all that, ETH goes up, ETH gas and all that, right? And then on top of that, like look at this here. Doge, all-time high, 74. I can't believe I'm talking about dog coins right now. But the fact that my dad talked about it is, do you think there's a top? Because he's telling me right now. That's a sign right there. But the point is, this time it's different for BDC. It's mainstream adoption. So BDC might not really take that dump, even like in whatever level. Because literally now it's a mainstream adoption. Hey, you know what? Call my broker, get some Bitcoin ETF. That's it. I literally bought it from Charles Schwab. So it's that easy, right? You don't have to go through this KYC and all that. But unfortunately, you don't hold it. The broker holds it in a whatever way. And unfortunately, like I mentioned, now they can manipulate it to whatever level. And that's the worst thing. Hey, you know what? They will front run. So-called front run. That's the point. And who loses? Well, the traders, the pleb traders who don't understand, short-term traders. But if you're holding and hedging, whatever you want to do it, like in the future, pass it over to your kids or whatever, or sell and get some land or whatever in the future. That's up to you. But I have no issue, like plan in any time near, 5 years or whatever, unless the whole scenario changes for me. I rather create money, not create money, do the work and make the money. Yeah, the government is going to create the money and then send it over, right? Create the money. Avoid the consumer mindset right now. Try having the producer mindset, right? I keep saying this. What? The tribe breed mentality, man. It's coming. I'm going to work on this. I'll do whatever I can to give whatever, Yeah, I mean, that's what I enjoy. Just pray for me. That's all you can do. Just pray for me, all right? Just attend my funeral, at least, yeah? When I'm dead. Well, I'm still alive here. Now, let me tell you this. Meme token, and then I'm going to finish it off. Dogecoin. There are several other tokens. Matter of fact, yes, I hold a little bit of SHIB. Kid you not. You really want to know? Don't ask me why. But just like I had some, money in the exchange. I was like, yeah, I take risk once in a while, but that's what it is. Oh, hold on. My meme is up. Floki's up. Bong is up. I have some bong. Just a little bit. Shibinu, bong, Kokinu. What is Kokinu? Hold on. Floki, Gecko. I don't know. Gorgi? Maybe I'll just get a few more. Who knows later? I don't know. But the point is, the worst part was Pepe, man. Look at Pepe here. Wait, where's Pepe here? I want to show you this. The reason, there's something to learn. Crazy. Look at this here. Look at this. Pepe, all-time high. I didn't even know. Pepe just broke all-time high. Just 2 weeks ago. Look at the size of this. 2 weeks ago. If you just dumped, man, I don't want to do math in this. That was just a million, like millennial. I could have become a millionaire, multi-millionaire right there within just 2 weeks, right? Literally, it's not like you needed a significant amount to on this one. If you look at the chart, man, that's huge, crazy, man. Then you have man, what's this temperature? It's so cold today. Yeah, it's I'm in the bunker and it's getting cold, man. And I don't want to turn on the heater because then again, wow, look at this MicroStrategy, Pepe. And this is like RV. These are all the AI file tokens. I'll talk about them later on. They're taking a breather, so-called. But it's interesting to pay attention. You'll see that there's a pattern. AFCO. Wow, this is the Broadcom. All right, I shouldn't be in the stock here. Just to come to this, right? The meme tokens, it's what it is. Just make sure it's listed in all exchanges. But now, I'm not really ready to buy Pepe at this level. I literally bought Pepe, if you remember. My $25 became $350 or something. I mentioned in the previous video. I just put $25 at one point. Ridiculous, man. Should have put like 1,000 or something. I'm not saying anybody should do that, but I played in the Ponzi's and so quite a bunch. And I don't play right now because I'm busy with my real stuff, which is creating videos. I do Amazon unboxing videos, reviews. I do a lot of videos. Okay, my whole literally full-time gig is like doing videos and more videos and more videos, and sometimes I talk as well. I don't get paid to talk yet, and I don't rely on YouTube ads. Okay, I need to mention this. Maybe I'll do another video on that. I don't. So feel free to use ad blocker or whatever. I don't care. Seriously, YouTube makes all the money. I just make some money when you buy some stuff from me. If you buy something in the future, I don't sell yet. So yeah, that's all. Okay. So now let me end it with. I don't have any of those listed here. All right, let me remind you something, and then I'm going to end this. There's a pattern I've seen, all right? Whenever some of this stuff goes up, a lot of the bad actors come out. They start shilling their own stuff. It's happening right now, literally. You'll not see people talk about all the main top tokens. It's just that some hidden gem they talk about, they get in and all that. That's one thing. Avoid at all costs, because they did the same thing previously in several rounds. No accountability. Literally, you can literally see what's happening in this world. So they're like, you know what? People are, all those things are keeping people and all this, them busy. Let us just milk and just, please. And the only way you can win is just don't participate. On the other hand, I talked about my dad's so-called friend. He's like Dogecoin. The guy got lucky. Okay. And you're like, no, you can also replicate. Sure, maybe I can still buy. There's a sign, there's a hope it may go up because when everybody thinks this is going up, yeah, sure, everyone puts it. But you have to buy at a certain price point so you can make profits, right? You make logical assumptions. But regardless, why I said that's lucky? Because that wasn't hard work. Think about it for a second. And I'm not like trying to call people out. I'm not saying, oh yeah, you can make it. No, I mean, you have a better chance to make it when you're being smarter and working harder, earning it, than just gambling token. That's like more of speculating and luck, right? Come on. Like if that guy said, oh, he made it in Doge, so you can do it, I can do it. I mean, come on. I mean, that's like not possible. There's 50-50 chances, right? Less chances to win, but regardless. And lastly, I've seen the most scummiest groups of people in this world. They'll just come out all of a sudden, and guess what they do? They just take advantage of the dudes who died, popular dudes, and they create a token on their name, and they just chill. I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, that's just the worst thing that someone could do, an individual. Disgusting. Think about it for a second. Yesterday, I literally seen NVIDIA Inu. Really? NVIDIA Inu? Shiba Inu, NVIDIA Inu, like Meta Inu, like they have every single thing now. That's disgusting. So, and it's so easy to create a token. Literally, create a token, just copy pasta, change the name, swap the logo, everything. That's it. Telegram, create one, delete one, create one, delete one. So be careful. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.